how to book a test, using accommodations, what you need to know. If you're registered with accessibility services, you already know that having test accommodations can help level the playing field and give you the best chance to show what you've learned. But how do you actually use those accommodations when it's time to write a quiz, test, or exam? The answer: you book your test through the college's online accommodated test booking system. This system helps make sure everything is in place and your seat is reserved, your professor is notified, and your accommodations are ready to go. But to make it all work smoothly, you'll need to plan ahead and follow a few key steps. Here's what the process looks like from start to finish and how you can make it work for you. You're in charge of when and how you use your accommodations. First, you should know that you get to decide when you use your accommodations. Some students choose to use them for every test or quiz. Others use them only for big exams. You can also pick which accommodations you want to use for each test. Maybe you need extra time for a math test, but not for a short quiz in English. That flexibility is built into the system. There's no need to get special permission every time. Instead, you show your choice by booking your test through the portal. That booking tells the testing center to hold a seat for you and sends a message to your professor to confirm and prepare the test. Booking early is key. To keep everything running smoothly, there are a few important rules. Book at least 7 days in advance of the test date. You must write at the same time as your class. Booking is your responsibility. Professors and counselors do not book for you. It may sound like a lot, but once you've done it once or twice, it becomes part of your regular routine. The booking process. Step by step. The first step is to gather a few details: your course code and name, and the date and time of your test. You'll find this in your course outline, syllabus, or timetable. Next, log into the My St. Clair portal and select the Accommodated Test Booking tile. You'll sign in using your student number with a capital W and your regular college password. From there, you'll choose Schedule a Test or Exam. Then select Schedule a Test, Midterm, or Quiz. Pick your course from the drop-down list. Enter the scheduled date and time of your test. Choose the accommodations you'd like to use. The system will check availability and reserve a seat. Confirm the booking. The system will automatically reserve a seat in the testing center and notify your professor. Both you and your professor will receive a confirmation email with the test details. If a seat is not available, the system will prompt you to contact the testing center for help. You can check for updates to your bookings. The system also has tools that let you see upcoming bookings, confirm whether your professor has approved your test, review your full accommodation plan, and print or forward your accommodation letter. If you ever have questions, the help section is there for you, and so are the friendly staff in student services.